Hi, my name is wlewis, the Aharkov Lewis team, and I am so excited to bring you on this tour of one of my favorite apartments at 345 Carroll. This is the perfect apartment. 3 bedrooms on the main floor, a huge outdoor space, and truly you have the best of both worlds. You have condo living that feels like a townhouse in the suburbs. I don't really get to do this often in New York City, just to have this expansive a space for entertaining, for cooking, and just to be able to look outside at the greenery. It really makes it a great sanctuary to come home to that is super quiet. One of the crucial elements of outdoor square footage is where it's located. Here it's right off the living room, which is the absolute perfect place to have it. It is L-shaped, over 1,600 square feet with a gas grill, and even now, a little bit chilly out, you can hear the birds chirping. One of the great things about this apartment is the actual layout itself. So here's the 3rd bedroom. You have light, air, space, everything you would really want for a 3rd bedroom. So here's the 2nd bedroom. Again, you have an incredible view of your own terrace, super quiet, but it's just a really welcoming room. And for the most important bedroom of all, the primary bedroom, absolutely enormous in scope. It is incredibly quiet, beautiful ensuite bathroom, tons of storage and closet space, and just the perfect place to end your day. So this area is one of the most pleasant surprises I've had in 17 years in real estate. The light that we have coming down here from this perfectly positioned light well, it truly is something that is just lacking and that I've never seen before in the bottom floor of a duplex. And here you have your own personal garage. Absolutely essential in Brooklyn with scarcity of parking. Makes for a very unique, wonderful experience. Thank you so much for taking this tour with me of 345 Carroll. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to me, Warner Lewis, and we'd love to take you on a tour.